Hi! Isn't it fun to see how others organize their craft rooms or spaces? I've shared some of mine, and then I've had people ask, how do you store your dies? So today I'm going to show you my really simple die storage solution. There are as many ways to store dies as there are crafters. I'm Shelley Godbee, the owner and CEO of Stamping Smiles, and for 18 years I've been teaching others how to create their own hand stamped smiles. But today I'm going to show you my simple die storage solution. My very simple die storage organization is for the thin metal dies that come in these envelopes. Now I like keeping my dies with their envelopes, so the first thing I do is I take them out and I go ahead and do this so I can see through the envelope what they are, because sometimes you're just wanting to look through real quickly and see what you have, like, oh, that would work well. And so then on this side I have the name, but I want the name on here as well. So I have this P-Touch Handy by Brother, this label maker. Goodness, I got this from Stampin' Up! A good 15 years ago and just love it. So I type in the name, print that out, and I found a P-Touch Handy on Amazon for $20. Fantastic. And I've been so pleased with mine. All right, and so then I just trim this off. My little paper snips. There we go. And now I have the name of the dies. And you'll see why I want that in just a minute of how I store them. Okay. There we go. So now I have the name on either side, but this is how I store them. Let me turn this off. I have a photo box that is working out beautifully. Okay, so, you know, here's the photo box, and it just fits the dies. I mean, look, even when they're wide enough, so I've got room. And so then I store them in alphabetical order. And so that's why I want the names of them out there. But you can see by having them turn, sometimes, like I said, I'm just browsing through trying to think, oh, what would look good with this card? And this works out just so doggone well. And so we'll slip this in. And there you go. So that's my super simple die storage organization. And it works out really well. The Sizzix, they had it on there, and that's why I started using with the new exclusive Stampin' Up! Dies, because I really got used to having that there. And so this is what works for me. And these boxes are on Amazon, really inexpensive, same size. And I'll have a link to this and the P-Touch Handy label maker. This is how I store them, and it has worked beautifully like this for me for years. Even if you have the solution that works perfect for you, it is still fun to see how others organize their craft rooms. And if you don't have a storage system yet, maybe my really simple die storage solution will work for you. And if you'd like more of my stamping tips, well, I invite you to subscribe to the Stampers Insider. It's your free stamping source for inspiration, information, and ideas. Just go now to www.thestampersinsider.com to subscribe. I'm Shelley Godbee, teaching you how to create hand-stamped smiles. Thanks for watching.